Hello, my name is Ron. I'm with Kingdom Roof and Fence, and man, we are doing an awesome fence right here. It is a double-sided fence with metal posts, as you can see. We are setting the metal post right now. You mix the concrete up first, then you pour it into the post, but we are doing an awesome job. We are almost done. Tomorrow we're going to build this fence. It's going to be super awesome. Here in the Houston, Texas area, you don't see any fences that are metal post. That's why they're all falling down. We give a lifetime warranty on these fences, and man, it's going to be awesome. So we're looking forward to seeing the final product and getting some metal post lifetime warranty fence in your house. Thanks. It's pretty cool. It's got double kickboard on the bottom that we just secured in. The top of the post need to be solid, but we're going to take care of that in a minute. We're going to start putting pickets here, and this fence is going to be looking awesome at Kingdom Roof and Fence. Give us a call. Here we are on the final stage. We have the double fence built. This is Ron from Kingdom Roof and Fence, and take a look at it. It is actually a double fence on both sides.